Hi, I'm Pete Schellenbach, culinary specialist with Vulcan, and I'm here in our test kitchen today to introduce you to our newest family member, the Vulcan PreciPan. The PreciPan is our first ever intelligent braising pan that allows you to cook with 7 different methods. You can boil, braise, saute, steam, simmer, griddle, or pan fry, all with greater precision with our easy-to-use touchscreen. I think one of the best things about the PreciPan is that it has everything that you need and none of the things that you don't. So if we open the PreciPan, you can see that this is the 28-gallon tank size. PreciPan comes in 2 tank sizes, this 28-gallon and then a larger 40-gallon size. In the 28-gallon size, I have 2 independent heating zones. And in the 40-gallon tank, I have 3 independent heating zones. Each zone can have its own timer. There is also a very large and easy to read touchscreen. It does have a control input knob here for dialing in exactly the precise temperature that I want. Below that, it has a USB port for easily transferring recipes from one PreciPan to another. It also has a probe attachment so that I can cook with a temperature probe if my recipe is designed to cook by temperature. Below that, I've got my switch to tilt, raise, or lower the pan. So the first thing we're gonna be cooking in the PreciPan today is a rigatoni pasta dish with sausage and peppers. One of the things that every food service operation needs is consistency of product. If I've got a recipe that calls for, let's say, half of a tank of water, or in this case, 14 gallons of water, I can use my metered water system, which allows precise amounts of water to be dosed into the tank. That gives me consistency in my recipes and consistent results for my guests. I'm gonna be using the automatic basket lift or the auto lift accessory. I'll be adding the pasta to the basket and the PreciPan will automatically bring that pasta out of the water at the right time, so no more overcooked pasta. So right now we're cooking the rigatoni in the PreciPan. And for this pasta, it's gonna take 8 minutes. At the end of that 8-minute cycle, the baskets will lift out to make sure that we don't overcook that pasta. Then I'm gonna use the standard spray hose to shock that pasta cold to stop it from cooking, and then I'm going to go on with the rest of the dish. Spray some cold water on it. So continuing on with our rigatoni dish, I took that pasta and set it aside. I drained the water out of the PreciPan, and now I'm gonna set it up to do the sauteing of the next ingredients that we're going to cook for our rigatoni. I've got some peppers and onions. I've got some Italian sausage. I've got red sauce, and I'm gonna be sauteing it in a little bit of olive oil. So I'm gonna get started with that right now. Okay, to finish the rigatoni, I'm gonna be sauteing the rest of the ingredients. So I've got a recipe called Rigatoni Sauté. I'm gonna press that and hit start. You can see now that the pan is preheating. I'm in the first preheat step up here. And then I have 4 steps of the actual recipe that are going to walk me through adding the product, stirring the product, deglazing, all of the rest of the steps for the sauteed food that I'm gonna be cooking. All right, so I'm gonna start out adding some olive oil to my pan. And I'm gonna add my sausage. And I'm gonna tell the PreciPan that I'm ready to start my recipe. So what that's gonna do is start a 2-minute timer to allow this to sear, begin to sear and get some color on it. Then it will beep to remind me that it's time to add the garlic, which I will do. Then another 2-minute timer and it will beep to let me know it's time to add the sauce. So now I'm gonna deglaze this pan a little bit with a little water. Add my tomato product. Pasta now goes back in. And I'll stir to combine all. And so now I'm going to use the built-in tilting mechanism in the PreciPan to unload this pasta. I'll just use my scraper, scrape all this pasta down, out into the pan. Turn the pan back to its original position for cleaning. So the next thing I'm going to make in my PreciPan is going to be a classic patty melt. When I talk about precision with the PreciPan, one of the other things that I can use is multi-zone cooking. Multi-zone cooking lets me heat one area of the base of the pan to a different temperature than another and have a different timer for each one of those zones. That's what I'm going to be using to make the patty melt. I'm going to do the bread at a lower temperature, and I'm going to do the searing of the burgers on the other side of the pan at a higher temperature. And I'm going to hit start, and the pan will begin to preheat. So let's get started. I've got the left side of my pan set at 375 degrees to do the rye bread that I've already buttered. On top of the rye bread, I'm going to put Swiss cheese. I'm going to add my burger patties. Now I'm going to start my timer here, and that's going to be the 2 minutes and 30 seconds until I flip the burger patty over. While that's going, I'm going to put some caramelized onions on the bread. So with that timer, I know it's time to flip my burger patties. And now I'm going to start the timer again. So that timer tells me that the burger is finished. I'm going to put one patty down on top of all of my onions. I'm going to take my bread. Now it's beautifully golden brown and toasted. Now I'm going to start my 1 minute and 30-second timer to let the cheese and the burger and the onions all melt together and end up with a perfect patty melt. The PreciPan is our first ever intelligent braising pan, all with greater precision and greater intelligence with our easy-to-use control screen that's divided into 3 main sections: auto, manual, and toolbox. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's the exact same interface as the TCM Combi. So going from left to right across the top, I've got the auto button, and in auto, I have all of my preset recipes. I can write recipes there, name them. I can select my favorites, and then use any of the preloaded recipes that PreciPan already comes with. In the center, I've got the manual button, and manual lets me toggle between 2 different types of cooking, or 2 cooking modes. There is the pan mode, which is the drier setting, which would be more like a griddle, or the beginning of a braising process. And in pan mode, I can select the temperature of the pan, either the entire surface of the pan or the temperature zones, and select the timers for those zones. And then I also can toggle over to kettle mode. In kettle mode, I can fill the precise amount of water that I want to put in the pan. I can set the temperature for that water, and I have up to 6 timers. Then moving across the control panel to the right again is the toolbox. The toolbox contains all of the control parameters that I can set up as the end user to control very specifically the way the PreciPan runs, but it most importantly has the semi-automatic cleaning. Keeping a piece of equipment clean is absolutely the best way to make sure it has a long life. When I engage that program, it will fill the tank with a prescribed amount of water, So just to show you what the screen is telling me, these are the steps that we're going to go through for the cleaning. Here on the information window, it's asking me to add the detergent. The detergent, by the way, non-proprietary, any mild dishwashing solution will work. So I'm going to put a small amount of detergent in there. Now it's asking me to confirm that I've added the detergent. Tell it yes. And now I'm scrubbing the tank with a nylon brush. Now we've moved on to the phase of draining. So it's going to drain the soapy water out. The drain opens a very small amount, only to let the water out. The drain in the PreciPan is for water, not for food. So now the PreciPan is pre-rinsing, and what it's doing is making sure that the soapy water is out, so it's introducing fresh water and the drain is open at the same time. So it's mixing that fresh water in with any remaining soapy water. Now that phase is finished, it's asking me to rinse with the hose. The nice thing is, though, that PreciPan guides you through that process. So you know you're going to be doing it right, you know your staff is going to be doing it right, and you know that your piece of equipment is going to stay clean and give you the best ROI possible. So with all of these great features that enable precision control over large batch cooking, if we think about who's going to need this kind of piece of equipment, it's going to be anybody producing really, really huge volumes of food. Think B&I, think catering, think healthcare, think K through 12, think recreation, entertainment, like a stadium. Places that are going to be producing enormous quantities of food and still have very high brand standards so that they need the precision and repeatability that PreciPan will give.